Hakar South Rig Ubnai Rumpang Arja Arpuar, Katanar Pulit Klayo Jingtip, Halor Kajingwan Jung Way Brio Nagathan Cleariat, Ubakid Hakakali Yaki Tiar Pynbthei. Halor Kanika Jingyo Jingtip, Katanar Pulit Nari Bhoi District, Ringkar Kachetri Langbar Ki Pulit Kabani Hat Police Outpost, Barka Assam Rifles, Kila Ab Pahara Ban Ioh Kem Yakanika Kali. Daga Jingtre Shitom Hakapor Kumbakhat Wishitangi A Minmid, La Yobat Yakanika Kali Kabadan your registration number AS not Iway BE, Lipra not. Hadien ka jingkandra la yo ban say ye bon ba ki Tiar Pynbthei ki blakit bi a nya po kani ka kali ki Pulit ki la kemru ye laingur ki brio ki bidan kti ha kani ka kam.
So around in the afternoon, so we got information from a reliable source that a vehicle carrying explosive substances that may be illegal in nature is being transported from Jingshalan Hills and might proceed towards Guwahati. So Meghalaya Police along with Assam Rifles, in coordination with Assam Rifles, we had set up a joint Naka in the evening yesterday on 24/2/2022. So the Naka checking was happening and all the vehicles, light vehicles were checked, and around 11:30 p.m. 24 yesterday, so one vehicle was intercepted. The vehicle number is A01BE3800. So around 11:30 p.m. after interception, then it was found that with the joint team of Assam Rifles and Bhoi Police that the vehicle contained almost 209 kgs of gelatin sticks, neogel gelatin sticks, 50 numbers of aluminium electronic detonators, and almost 2000 special ordinary detonators were recovered from the vehicle. In this connection, 3 persons have been arrested. Non-PO PS case number 33/2022 under Section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has also been registered under non-PO PS. And in this connection, almost 3 mobile phones also were seized, and the vehicle also carrying the illegal explosive substances also were seized. So the team was under DSP Crime, non-PO, and headed by IC Banihat. So they have also now investigating the case of the origin as well as where the materials were to be delivered. So in this connection, the investigation is still going on.